This is going to be my first official face video with my camera and my little light over here. So this is the video on my first PC build, all from scratch. I think the budget was around $500, all made by myself for my screen repair money that I do. I got the 1060 and the RAM for $125, courtesy of my neighbor. Thanks, shout out to him. Otherwise, this build would have cost maybe over $900. So, so I have clips of my bloopers and trying to find the backplate for a CPU cooler. So I chose the S340 Elite because I like the tempered glass panel, and this case right over here actually it's gonna last a long time. So I said might as well get a nice one with nice quality metals and glass, and it's a nice panel. And I bought some extensions from Fantex, so I thought it'll complement it nice. And my neighbor's also giving me Hue Plus with his RGB fans, so I'll be able to see the LEDs. I went with an AMD Ryzen 3 1300X because AMD's been killing it lately with the price to performance ratio. So I got the Ryzen 3 1300X with the Raid stock cooler, which is all from Amazon for about $120. I really got a good deal on the motherboard. It's an Asus B350F gaming motherboard, and it comes with Aura Sync, so I can in the future add LED RAMs like G-Skill like that. And with my mail rebate about $15, it cost about $100 the motherboard, and it retailed for about $135. So really good deal on that. For storage, I'm looking at a 1 terabyte WD Caviar Blue mechanical drive, and then a 128 gig SSD from AData for like the boot drive and like Premiere or anything I need on a flash. Other than that, GPU is at 1063 gigabytes. I wish it was 6 gigabytes, but I'm gonna go with a 1060 for $100. So 1063 gigabytes from MSI. 8 gigs of HyperX 2660 megahertz RAM, and I think that's about it. Power supply is a EVGA 500 BQ power supply, 80 plus bronze certification. I'm not sure if you care to hear about that. Yeah, that's about it. It went smoothly except for the IO shield takes a surprising amount of force, and the cooler, which yeah, the back plate. So once I got all that started up, I first posted my PC and posted on the first try. So here, this is me trying to get into the BIOS, looking it around and trying to figure out what I'm looking at. And then I set the fan curves with Q fan, Asus's thing, motherboard thing. So I'll link it in the description for cheap Windows 10 keys. So yeah, I put Windows 10 Pro on it, and then just logged in and just completed the process. It was super simple. Once all that, first thing I did was install Chrome, because that's all Edge is really good for. Yeah, after that, just everything syncs up, and yeah, I'm using a TV, unfortunately, for my monitor, because I'm too broke to afford actual monitor. So that's my experience.